Okay, I am so excited. I just got back from picking up this grape iMac for $15. And this is the 333 megahertz grape iMac, which makes it the final fastest version of that original iMac, the Bondi Blue one. So this is the tray loader iMac with a 24-speed CD-ROM, 6 gig hard drive. This one has 160 megs of RAM, though I think it originally came with 32. And this one I think is really special. That's a really iconic computer from my childhood. I was stuck with an old compact 200 megahertz, and some of my friends had iMacs, and of course, they're very beautiful, and I think the grape color is the best color, and also it's pretty rare because I think most people went for lime green or blue. And this is the computer that saved Apple. When Steve Jobs came back in '97, this is the computer he started making, and when it launched, it completely turned the company around. So I'm very excited to show this to you, and I'm going to have a lot of fun with it. Alright, I've switched this Mac over to its Jaguar install, and I think we could use some Ethernet. So let's see if I can get into that stupid door. Alright, well let's take a look through this together and see what's on here. Ugh. Can you hear that? Wow, that's terrible. Well, at least it works. Ugh. And of course, this is the best, latest version of the original iMac G3. The one that still has the tray loader instead of the slot loader. Excellent. Let's see if there are any games. Max Sokoban, is that it? Man, this mouse is terrible. Oh, look at all this Mac OS 9 stuff. Netscape Communicator, huh? Alright, classic environment is a go. Man, you forget how loud these things are. Listen to that hard drive chunk away. Yeah, this keyboard is pretty disgusting. I think we're going to need to clean this off. Ugh. It rattles. Oh my god, there's stuff coming out of it. That is disgusting. This is like 20 years of someone else's snacks and skin flakes in here. Oh my god, that's disgusting. And it's not even the original keyboard, so I'm going to go through all this trouble to clean it, and it's not the original one. So I should just order a grape keyboard. I think this calls for something more dramatic. Good lord. We should hit the main computer up with a little Windex too. Well, that wasn't so bad. Alright, I wonder if we can figure out what's going on with this terrible mouse. How does this even come apart? Hello? I probably should have looked this up. Ah! Ew. Look at that. That is pretty gross. About the inside of this. I wonder if these wheels are just gunked up as well. Am I gonna have to take this whole thing apart? I have an idea. Maybe I'll just wash this thing off. Alright. That looks a lot better. Jeez. Now I think I need to get in there, but I don't know if I want to do that today. Otherwise this is going to be a whole video of me messing around trying to get this thing apart, which does not look that easy. I have to take these things off and little tiny screws, and I don't want to do that right now. So let's see if my new cleaned mouse ball makes any difference. If not, maybe I'll make another video that's a time lapse of me trying to take this thing apart. It's a little bit better. It's not clunk, clunk, clunk anymore. I've used worse. I think that'll do for now. I think that about does it for this intro to the $15 Grape iMac. As far as what the future holds for this computer, well, I have a few ideas. Thanks for watching.